Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your MP4 videos into a GIF format using CapCut. So after you finish your edits, let's say that you want to export or save it as GIF, here is how you're going to do. So first, you can just before exporting, you can click on the resolution box at the top, and this is the video options. You need to click on the GIF to change it into a GIF format. Click on a GIF, and here you can just select the quality. If you are on the CapCut Pro, you can choose between these three options, between standard until ultra high. But if you are only on the CapCut free version, you can just use this standard quality. And after that, you can just click on the arrow to start exporting your video as a GIF. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.